Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to share with you how much my Airbnb makes. But before I share with you how much my Airbnb makes, you need to know that I actually have 5 properties that I manage on Airbnb, and I don't own any of them. As you're probably asking, how is that even possible? Well, it's very simple. I actually go out, I find places to rent, I get permission from the landlord to put it on Airbnb, and then I generate a profit. And the super cool thing is that this has literally allowed me to quit my job and work full time on this business. But here's the crazy thing. It doesn't really take a lot of time. So here we go. I'm going to show you one of my Airbnbs, and then I'm going to show you how much this Airbnb makes. All right, so this is the one that we call Blackberry. And here we go into the front entrance. Now, you'll notice this is a semi-detached home, and this property puts a lot of cash in my pocket, and it doesn't cost a whole lot of money to operate. So here's the living room, dining room, a nice full view of the kitchen. Then from here, we can go up the stairs. Now, this specific property is a 4-bedroom. Here's the master with a beautiful master bath. Look at that. The wide angle for you. It's gorgeous. Now, we did convert one of the bedrooms into an office so we can attract more people that want to work from home. So here's the office. Nice desk. We did put a crib in here. Sometimes we pull it out, sometimes we don't, depending on the guest. Got the main floor bathroom. And then from here, we can see the other guest rooms. So we have a queen bed in here. And then a queen bed in there. And last but not least, all of our units have a washer and dryer so people can feel like they have a home away from home. So as you can see, there's really not a whole lot to this property, but this property does profit a lot of money, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's see how much my Airbnb made over at Blackberry for the year of 2024. Let's see if we made a profit. Total revenue from bookings was $63,406.51. Not a bad year. Now, in case you don't believe me, I did take a screenshot for you so you can see it. And this here is Blackberry Lane for the year of 2024. And our total after some adjustments and service fees and stuff like that was $63,406.51. This is what actually hit the bank account right here. Okay, so our rent, it was $30,000, $2,500 a month for the last 12 months. Bills, $3,600 or $300 a month. And that includes internet, water, electricity, and gas. Some months it's less, some months it's more. On average, $300 a month. Our cost in cleanings is $6,480 for the entire year. Okay, so that's 109 cleanings, and we pay $60 per cleaning. And you might be asking, how in the world do you get it done for $60? I have some secret sauce. I'll share that in a later video. Okay, supplies. $3,000 for the year or $250 a month on average. And so the supplies is like freebies, your welcome basket, cleaning supplies, stuff like that. We spend about $250 a month on that. So what is our total profit? What is it when we take all these numbers, subtract it out? What do we have? Let's take a look. So our revenue is $63,406. Our rent is $30,000. Bills, $3,600. Cleanings, $6,480. And our supplies is $3,000, which gives us a total profit of the year of 2024. Drumroll is $20,326, or in other words, $1,700 a month. Not bad for one listing that doesn't take a whole lot of work to do. So like I said before, this is our least performing property. It is the furthest away from Niagara Falls, and it has the least amount of bedrooms, yet it is still doing very well and profits us a nice profit every single month. And it's pretty simple to look at these numbers and start thinking, hey, you know what? There is something substantial here. I mean, you take 10 of those at $1,700 a month profit, and you now have $17,000 a month in profit coming in. And that is something that not only can you quit your job on, but you can live off of and start investing in other assets, or even continuing to grow your short-term rental business. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope I have inspired somebody to do this business. That's one of my goals here, is I want to help as many people as I can quit their 9-to-5, and so that they can start living the life of their dreams. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and we'll see you in the next episode.